You know when you're growing up and you're taught to wait your turn? Seems like this particular Karen was never told to do that. She's not happy with the fact that she has to wait on the Zoom call when she's actually supposed to be in the courtroom itself anyway. So check this out and let me know what you think. You're definitely going to want to stay on till near the end, and you got to hear what she refers to herself as.
Good morning, Ms. Melhado.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Are you representing Mr. Samuel Williams?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and he's presented a good case for, he's shown good cause to adjourn this matter to July 21st at 9:01 a.m. So we'll be back in person July 21st at 9:01.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, so week adjournment, and we'll seek a resolution at the next hearing. All right, good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Don't stop working toward figuring this out.
And wait for your paperwork too.
So you all can both get noticed. All right. Please keep your comments to yourself. This is not, this is the courtroom. Nothing else other than the courtroom.
Yeah, can I call it James?
Our attorney, sure, and then attorney comment.
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Before you go any further, may I ask, can I iterate before you go to the next person?
Do you have a case? Do you have a case in here, ma'am?
Yes, I do. I've been on Zoom since 9:30 this morning, and my case number is 233-50042. I do not have a lawyer. I'm going pro per.
Pro per, you say? Or is it pro per you pro se? Probably not, but either way, sounds juicy.
For my landlord-tenant situation, eviction.
Is Perry Muhammad here? Right here. All right, have you had an opportunity to talk to her?
No, I haven't.
Stand up.
I had talked to her like weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, or something like that.
Yeah.
Since
I
I
haven't
started,
spoken to him for a month.
All right, well, you're supposed to be in person, ma'am,
I understand that. Yes.
And why
And
would
I
you in
am
person?
disabled and my ride did not show up. That's why I'm on Zoom right now.
Okay, all right, well, you all have a conversation and let me know when you're ready to call it. He'll give you a call on the cell phone. You all don't have a resolution?
I don't
Let me
have
know.
my cell phone with me.
All right, well, you have to hold off for a second. So we'll figure out, I'll call your case. Once we have a dead period, I'll call.
So what does that mean? It's gonna be
Please
readjourned?
Please be patient.
You have any idea how long that might be?
No,
Try to make a phone call?
absolutely.
To my car.
Yeah, you have time to go back to your car, for sure.
Okay.
Are you, all right, yeah, you come back and she'll be on Zoom.
All right.
She's so impatient to get on with her case that she just basically uses the end of the last guy's case. It's like, yep, that'll do me.
Ross Howard, social worker, Lakeshore Legal Aid. Good morning. State your name.
My name is David Lee Warren.
Good morning, Mr. Warren.
Yeah.
All right.
It's represented to me by the defendants that Mr. Warren will be possibly eligible for some funding that will help him pay off his balance and that he can cover any remaining balance. So we are looking for that same date of August 1st to come back and hopefully have this one.
Okay, the court finds good cause to adjourn this matter to August 1st at 9:01 a.m. So we'll give you a notice, August 1st, 9:01. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Oh, no, Ms. Stanfield, that wasn't for you. Recalling case number. Recalling case number 2335041. This is Perry Muhammad versus Melinda Stanfield. May I have your name for the record?
My name is Perry Muhammad.
Thank you. And Ms. Stanfield, may I have your name?
My name is Melinda Stanfield.
All right, thank you, Ms. Stanfield. And I understand that your battery is on low, so we'll move this proceeding along.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You have proof of service in the file. as well as summons and complaint. Did we give you your deed back?
Yes.
Did your, may I see it one more time?
My deed,
Yes, sir.
I want to say something about the deed also. Probably can figure it out yourself, but if you can't, I'll give a comment on.
Well, I do have a deed that states your name, that your name is on, so. All right, what do you want to say?
Okay, it's, you figure it out, so I'm not gonna worry. So market unit, unit was 41. The market unit side by side. And plus I got the tax papers showing that I'm paying 43 with 41, but it's just both of them at the
In
same.
the same parcel?
Yes.
Okay,
It's the same
that's not an
parcel.
issue.
Okay,
All right, Ms. Stanfield,
Yes,
are you objecting to Mr. Perry's ownership?
no, I do not.
Okay, so I just want to make sure that was a non-issue with the CDD. Do have proof of service. This is a complaint for non-payment of rent. Currently, how much rent is owed?
To my calculation, 2,500.
Is that,
that's more than that, but that's the reason. You know, because since I filed the paperwork, it's been months, but I'm not really concerned about that. Filed the 500.
okay, when can you pay that, Ms. Stanfield?
By August, I can pay 1,500.
$1,500 by August.
August 1st.
You have to pay the full amount by the date. How much time are you willing to give Ms. Stanfield to pay this down?
If she wanted till October, and I said I can't do that, but so I'm just trying to put in for the writ, for the eviction. So anything after that, you know, she can work out. But right now, I'm not concerned with that.
Okay, so Ms. Stanfield,
Yes, Your Honor.
I really don't think she will.
all right. Okay, the court's gonna enter judgment by hearing. Is there any objection to an all occupants judgment?
Say that one more time.
An all occupants judgment. Whereas
All occupants.
you'll put the judgment in all occupants' name.
All occupants.
Okay, it would remove her as a named party.
Her and all occupants.
Her and all occupants. Okay. Okay, the court's
Does that
gonna,
change it
well, it may help her credit report
with all occupants?
versus her name being a named party. But you as the plaintiff have total control. I was just asking. So that's totally up to you. I'm impartial.
She can.
All right. Mr. Perry has agreed to dismiss you as a named party and issue this judgment as an all occupants judgment. But all occupants must either pay $2,500 or vacate by August 11th. August 11th is a Friday. The next following Monday is the 14th. That 14th, you will be eligible to file for a writ of eviction. If you all work something out in between that time, Ms. Stanfield, make sure you get it in writing. And obviously you all keep your records. So
Okay,
move
I do
on, you
agree with that.
Go ahead.
I do agree with that, considering I'm doing pro per, I'm my own attorney, and I do understand the law and what you're saying. I do understand English, even though Spanish is my first language. And I did speak to Mr. Perry. And as well, I will, as much as I can get him by that time when we got to go back to court, whatever is not there, he will get whatever's there and I will vacate his premises.
So you're your own lawyer, are you? Yeah, that kind of generally never works out for basically anybody. Now, some people do really well with it, but the vast majority of people don't. Especially when you're interrupting court, not actually turning up in person, and when you're given an order, you kind of go, yeah, we'll see how it goes.
All right, and on the judgment form, box 6 on the judgment that you have to turn in to the court, it states acceptance of a partial payment will or will not prevent the court from issuing an order of eviction. It will not. So, Ms. Stanfield, by law, if you were to pay $2,400 and $2,499 and not $2,500, by legal right, you have the right to still file the eviction. So understand that if you're getting something, you pay $1,500 and there's some agreement to hold off on the eviction, make sure you get it in writing.
I sure will, Judge. Thank you.
All right, look out for some paperwork in the mail. And we need
Thank
to
you very
wait.
much.
So, you may have to go to 2 if you don't have a copy of the judgment. You're welcome, Ms. Stanfield. You're free to log off. You need to submit the court to the court a judgment.
So there we have it, folks. I don't know really what to make of this kind of thing. I start to see a lot of these pop up from time to time where, you know, somebody might have some personal issues, but basically the whole world owes them a favor. It's like you're renting a place, that guy owns the place, you pay your way. That's just the way it goes. Yeah, you may be disabled and everything, and I can totally understand that, but, you know, if you can get that support to help you out, fantastic. But something as simple as just not interrupting the court, it's the level of entitlement with this lady that I seem to have the problem. But you let me know what you think down below, because I accept I may absolutely be wrong in the way I'm looking at this whole thing, so I'm looking forward to hearing what you have to say. Anyway, folks, if you enjoyed the video and you like Karens in court, check out one of these other videos that's going to pop up here in a minute. You'll see some more of those Karens, and we'll catch you in the next one. Sláinte.